Hello? 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 Stupid advertisement. Stupid phone. JJ, go away. You're gonna get scared. It's raining, sky is train is pouring, the big sky is lightning. My friend got scared of that.
I loved him.
I like how it went from like 100-degree weather and then all of a sudden it's raining and thunder and lightning and breezy. Oh! I heard that one. that was like 3 miles away. Oh, camping and this. Oh my. Yeah, we don't have lightning flies. I'm almost 3 miles away. Man, it's raining hard again. Rain after sun. Woo! Oh. Was it raining this hard before? Mom, was it raining this hard before? Man, I'm getting wet. You creeped me out, Rich, right when you came, the lightning thing, and I saw your reflection. That's the only one that works. I don't know what works out there.
And what's outside?
I have no idea.
You just wait for a lightning flash. Oh,
whoa!
that one. It's all around.
Yeah.
What? I was like, which light is for outside?
So I said, I'm going downstairs where it's safe. You guys are nuts, she said. Here, I'll knock this TV out there.
How come Richard gets to go outside? Mom? How come Richard gets to go outside? No, he's not. He's outside. Well, how come I couldn't go outside?
You there now?
See the bats up there?
Where?
They
I see a nest right there.
That's a nest for the birds. They're out flying around getting bugs probably right now, but they
getting
sleep
shot.
right up there.
That feels good. That feels good. Your van's going, oh, that feels so great. Somebody go outside? No. I said the magic word, geez, out of here.
My legs got all wet.
I think it's gonna stop now that it rain, huh? It like takes all the energy out.
Yeah, well, there was a lot of clouds that were moving in when we were down at the soccer field. He was talking about it.
It was like 8 o'clock and it started thunder and lightning when like 8 o'clock during dinner. And then right after we saw a sheriff's car go by.
What do you think, there, JJ? Call her DJ.
Night night.
Pretty soon, we're gonna be locked up in a minute.
Okay. I'll sleep outside.
No, you will not.
Don't worry, the thunder will protect me from the bears and deer. Don't worry.
And we're worried about the thunder and lightning and the bears and deer.
Well then,
They're smart enough to be in and out of it.
they can be out of it because they live outside.
Yeah, they don't hide though.
Where do they hide? Outside.
In the bushes.
That's still outside.
That's out of it though.
So I can hide in the bushes. But they hide in the bushes.
Okay, come on in now. Lock up.
Un momento. Clocks. Ooh. I was like 10 miles away.
Oh, it's so nice out here.
Don't get hit, Rich.
You gotta come out here in the rain.
I would, okay. These flip-flops are really small. Oh, it feels so good. Ah. This is like amazing. 90 something to 100-degree weather, and then it rains and it feels so good. Woo! This is like the 4th place I want to move to. First, I want to go to Alaska. Then I want to go. Oh! Then I want to go to the Philippines. Then I want to go to Cali. Then I'll move here. feels so good.
It does.
After like,
I'll tell you, after camping, I always want to get doused now in water
I know.
to cool off.
Okay, I'll go in.
That was a tradition. With that little gray bucket.
Yes, for the adults, it's beer pong, but then for the kids, it's water pong. And for the adults too. When it gets to 90 degrees and over,
All right.
they get doused.
Let's close up shop.